Hi, in front of me Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to enter fast boot mode on this device. To do it, firstly you need to power off your device. To power off your device, just click and hold power button, wait a while, then switch your device off. Wait for about 5-7 seconds and click and hold together volume down and power button. So together, click and hold it. And as you can see, now we have entered into fast boot mode. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.